Hi, I'm Ravina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm going to prepare a hotel style fish curry just like the ones you find in those small joints serving fish curries in banana leaves, or we also call it as bale ele meenina uta. First, let's start by broiling the spices. I'm using 10 badigi chili for color and 2 locally grown red chilies for some heat. After roasting the chilies, let's roast 1.5 tablespoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of peppercorns, half teaspoon of mustard, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek, and a pinch of ajwain or carom seeds. Broiling these ingredients enhances the flavor and brings out that rich aroma we want in our curry. Please do like, follow and subscribe my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Now that our spices are broiled, adding 1 small onion, 3 garlic cloves, half lemon sized tamarind and a cup of fresh coconut, let's grind all this into a smooth paste. If you have tried having meals in these small joints, you would have noticed there aren't big pieces in the fish curry, just tiny bits here and there. The flavor really comes out from the bones, and trust me, small fish with bones makes the curry tasty. Vessel you are going to cook the curry, add the ground masala. You can adjust the thickness of the curry by adding water as much as you need to get a medium thick consistency. Give a good mix and check for the consistency of the curry. You can just see here, this is fine. It's neither thick nor too thin. Let me add the sliced ingredients, 1 piece of ginger and 2 green chilies. Add salt to taste and let the curry come to a boil. Now add the cleaned fish. It's important not to overcook the fish, so when the curry starts to bubble off the flame, close the lid and set aside. Resting the curry after cooking is a secret to intensifying the flavors. The fish gently continues to cook in the residual heat. By the time you serve it, the curry will be rich, flavorful and perfectly balanced. And there you have it, a simple yet incredible flavorful fish curry just like the one you find in the local joints. You can also give a tempering with mustard and curry leaves. I have just skipped it. Thank you so much friends for watching this video.